Hey guys, I'm showing you this steamer for clothes. So it's a 1200 watt cloth steamer with 3 steam levels and handheld steamer for 20 seconds, fast heat, 200 ml water tank and portable steamer. So I will show you the demo. So it's a manual. It comes in a nice protective box. So let me just take this out. So you can see this comes with this measuring cup, the base, and this iron or steamer itself is a very nice uh, like a old stage thing but with a modern style. So the handle can be retracted, so it is more portable. This is the base where you can just put in the steamer like that, so it will not just heat up. So you can use that both in the standing and the sitting way. So I will just show you the main normal way. So you can close this handle like that. So let me just connect it to the electric. So this is also a travel steam iron, mini and lightweight with like everything. So let me just take out a thick cable, you can see it here. So let me just put it in an electric and see that. So in the front you can see it have this triangular tip design and a 180-degree rotating handle. So there's 18 holes with a high pressure steam. So let me just put in the handle, put in the water. So I will just put in the water here. So for the demo purpose, I'm just putting a small amount of water, but you can put up to 200 ml of water here. So you can see the light is on. So the first one is for the iron mode. So when I just take it up, it start working on, and then you can use it as a iron. And then for the steam, you have to press it once, and there are 3 levels of steam here. So as you can see, the light is on the first steamer, and then if I put it 2, so this is the medium level, you can see the some steams coming out. It's a very pressure steam here, so be careful. And then the third level is maximum steam that it can produce. So overall you can see that it is removing the wrinkles from this small t-shirt. Everything is fine, very smooth and sliding. So this one can be used as a standing one as well, and then you can use it as a way. So this is 20 seconds faster with 180 degree and as a good iron.